This newscast is brought to you by Cobra Energy Drink. Pag meron ka nito, walang talo. That portion was brought to you by MX3. Dito ako believe. That news was brought to you by ACS Manufacturing Corporation, ISO certified world-class quality.
Sino sa inyo ang subsub sa trabaho, di palaging healthy ang pagkain at kulang sa pahinga? Maaaring magkulang ang nutrients sa katawan na pwedeng makaapekto sa iyong resistensya at overall health ng katawan. Mahalaga na mag-multivitamins na hindi lang para sa energy at immunity, kundi para sa buong katawan. Mag-multivitamins plus minerals, Centrum Advance at sabayan ng tamang pagkain at exercise araw-araw. Ang multivitamins plus minerals Centrum Advance ay may more than 25 nutrients from A to zinc na tumutulong para sa strong immunity, healthy heart, good eyesight, at alaga ng buong katawan. Araw-araw ang kayod mo para sa pangarap ng pamilya, kaya mahalagang alagaan ang buong katawan. Mag-multivitamins plus minerals Centrum Advance. Multivitamins and minerals is the generic name of Centrum Advance. If symptoms persist, consult your doctor.
Multivitamins plus minerals, Centrum Advance. Alagang di magkukulang.
Ang Cebu Metropolitan Catholic Mass Media Awards. Best Radio Commentator, Best Newspaper Columnist, and Best Public Affairs Anchor. Attorney Rufil Fernandez Banyok sa Straight